Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious fried rice. First, ensure you have day-old chilled rice. This is crucial for a non-soggy result. Next, gather your favorite ingredients such as 2 cups of cooked rice, 1 cup of mixed vegetables, and about 4 ounces of protein. Chop everything into small, manageable pieces so they cook evenly and quickly. This preparation step is key to a smooth cooking process and a fantastic final dish. Now let's get cooking. Heat about 1 tablespoon of cooking oil in a large wok or skillet over high heat until it shimmers. Add your protein, like chicken or shrimp, and stir fry until it's cooked through and slightly golden, which usually takes about 3 to 5 minutes. Remove the protein, then add your harder vegetables, cooking for about 2 minutes before adding softer ones. Keep everything moving to ensure even cooking and vibrant flavors. It's time for the star of the show, the rice. Push your cooked ingredients to one side of the wok and add a lightly beaten egg to scramble quickly. Once the egg is cooked, add your chilled, day-old rice, breaking up any clumps with your spatula. Pour in about 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of sesame oil, and any other desired seasonings. Stir everything together thoroughly, ensuring the rice is evenly coated and heated through. Almost there. Continue to stir-fry the rice mixture for another 2 to 3 minutes. This allows the rice to develop a slightly crispy texture, which is a hallmark of great fried rice. Taste your creation and adjust any seasonings, perhaps adding a dash more soy sauce or a pinch of white pepper. Finally, transfer your delicious fried rice to serving bowls and garnish with fresh green onions or cilantro. Enjoy your homemade, perfectly fried rice.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.